Hello! Today I want to show you something that I do a lot to open the eyes area. So when I say open the eye area, what does it actually mean? If we look at our eye, there are quite a few, I would say I would zone them into problematic zones. So the first would be this area, where I always feel that if this area is not being relaxed, your eyes won't be opened. Because imagine every day you are reading a lot of, either books or your laptop, or you're just reading into these tiny little screen that you would frown without even knowing, and all these muscle around here gets very tense. So the first thing I would be just relaxing it and then lifting this, and then we can go to the eye area. So I think this massage can have 10 steps, 12 steps, but I'm just going to do a very simple 3-step in this video. So the first thing is that we want to use our hands to warm it up. So I am coupling this massage with our vitamin A repair and regrow concentrate. Okay, just 2 drops. This has got very thin texture. We've got squalane, vitamin E in there, and it's got a lot of natural oils. That's got vitamin A, and it's also got benzoin in there. Benzoin is like a resin that is very good for rejuvenation. I'll leave you to read more on the website if you're interested. So I put everything on. First step is I would do this right hand to my left eye, left hand to my right eye. So first, just point. So here, remember when you're doing this, your shoulder needs to be relaxed. It's really just using the gravity to be pushing that into your finger. So don't go like, and then after this whole massage, actually you get a shoulder ache. So relax everything, just do that. And then you can put a bit of weight in the temple area, or just do this. Okay, and then squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. You can squeeze till here. Okay, the other side, same thing. You can use your second finger, or I'm very used to using my 4th finger. My 4th finger has actually got more strength than my second finger. That, and then squeeze. With the squeeze, you can do it with 2 fingers too. But I just find it, if you do it slower with 1 hand, you can actually go deeper. That's the first step, okay? Second step, you want to really loosen up this area. So use your knuckle and then just push it down. You can go back and forth, or you can do a straight line to here, okay? Or you can go back and forth, back and forth. You will be able to feel the lines of muscles as you're doing this. It gets slightly red, yeah? So up and then side, side. Always end in the temple, side. And then at the hairline, just press into it. Once you've actually done these 2 steps, you would almost feel like your eyes already got much lighter. Like everything, it's almost like the grey raining cloud is just being lifted from this part of your skull. You will feel your eyes will be like bigger. And then we take the pick. This is microSculptor number 1, the pick. You might have already seen it many times, but I need to show you because I like to use it a lot, and I use this on all my red carpet treatments as well. So very simple. All you need to do is completely just do what you have actually done just now with your eyebrow. So we were doing this, right? So now you do it with this. So you will get a stronger stimulation with this. You can do strokes, point, 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 little zigzags, or one stroke. One under your eyebrow, another on top of it. Here, the muscle goes like this. So you should go across it, like cross friction massage. It feels so good to be doing this area, especially going across this muscle around here where you use a lot to frown. Okay, that's one side, and then the other side. Either point, 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 or zigzag. Or do a line. And then on top, cross friction. And as you are actually doing this around here, some people, I do, feel some like little electrical zap at the back of my skull. Okay. I can't stop, it's just very nice. And then you use the spoon just to sweep. Sweep across, sweep upwards. Across and upwards. There you go. So your eyes should feel like twinkle twinkle little star. Thank you.